what in Arabic always when you do a command, what do you start with? All the commands most of the time starts with an alif. It starts with a hamza. Well, what if the word has a hamza to begin with? Okay, like a word in ata, the word in origin, in its original word, the word in its base form is ata, come, or to come, right? Now I want to make this as a command. What do I do? Add another hamza.
Like this.
Qama, which means stood.
He stood. Yeah.
Okay. How do you make it into a verb, command? Aqim. You know, you say to make establish. I command you to establish, or to start, or to stand. Same thing here. Ata, to come. I want you to come. Ati. So I can say ati, which is, you will hear this today grammatically. People say atini, itini, and that would be wrong. That would be wrong. If they want to pronounce it correctly according to the Arabs say, then they will drop this and will say atini.
What's utuni?
Huh?
What's utuni?
This it's like it's a wrong way to say they came to me versus utuni,
Come to me.
which means come to me. You now come to me.
Yeah. It just changed the tense. From the
Yes.
Present tense.
It doesn't change the meaning of the word, but it changes the tense exactly. Okay. Another natural mad. Can I go ahead and erase? Another natural mad. So mad al-tabi'i right now. Let's add underneath here. That we can add here is this one of the ones here is mad al-badal. Okay. The next one I want to talk about is something called maddul iwad. Your hiccups, man.
Some water? Need some water.
No, it's great because I'm sure it's being recorded.
So we have a limping guy and hiccup.
Okay, the word iwad and the word badal, unfortunately, in English, I'm trying to find a nice way to translate both of them. Badal is okay, I got it. Badal is to exchange you from something. Here, you have the red marker. I'll give you the I'll give you the blue marker instead of the red marker. Okay? I'll give you an alif instead of a hamza. You replaced one instead of one. Al-iwad is similar, but not replacement. It's more like here's a compensation.
Right.
Okay? So mad al-iwad is the best way to translate it is the compensation extension.
We have
Extension of
the-
compensation.
We have the same meaning in Urdu. It was कहते हैं ना.
Okay, good.
We call
So-
it Iwas.
Iwad. Okay, so al-iwad is like extension. Why is this? Iwad. It happens specifically in one place. It happens when you have tanween on alif. What am I doing? Oh. So, if I were to stop, at this word, how do I pronounce it? Any of these words?
Shay'a.
Shay'a,
Take one fatha.
tawaba, right? Ma'a, right? I don't say ma'an. Okay. What about if I were to stop at
If you stop, we can say shay'a. If you not stop, then shay'an.
right? But what if I want to stop on this?
Shajara.
Shajara.
Yeah.
Why didn't I say shajarata? right?
I was going to-
Okay, so this is what it is here. This مد العوض, I'm doing an extension only when I have tanween on a hamza or an alif. Done.
Repeat please, only.
It happens only when it is on a hamza or alif.
When tanween is on a hamza.
Right. Yes, tanween al-nasb specifically and grammatically, it's tanween al-nasb when the letter has fatha. Okay? And the only ones that you don't do is jannah, right? You don't do that. What if it was this? Let me do it here. What if it was this one? Shay'un. What if I stop on it? Do I say shay'u?
Shay.
I say shay. Okay? So it is only when it has fatha, with the exception of these guys don't work.
So fatha
Right.
tanween on hamza or alif.
The way it is, now let's talk about how it becomes. Oh, that's no better. It's what if I